Amber. It's behind Alicia.
No, like doesn't it look funny?
Dude, the brown card. You want some of these?
No.
Don't fall, nigga.
I'm not gonna fall. Oh.
Here.
Will this work if I just plug it in right here?
No, right here, down here.
Well,
Down here.
Dude, I can't concentrate on reading a fucking 4-page text message.
I hate that
dude,
shit.
I gotta go pee.
Oh, can I come with?
No.
Aren't you gonna plug it in?
Oh, yeah, either.
What you laughing at over there?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Ew. And she just got
Hi.
like I forgot she was saying that.
Oh, look, Amber.
I will.
Hey, Amber, look. Just wait.
Hey, Amber, look.
Look, Amber. Do you see it?
You have that zoomed in.
I know. I see your face.
What the fuck are you doing? Oh yeah, my phone. Huh?
And then, who wants this? Who wants it? Who wants it?
Amber,
Come
you're
get it.
piece of shit.
Come get it. Come get
My
it.
phone's too dead right
Come get it.
What the fuck are you
Come
doing?
get it.
You're fucking you're a trip.
You sound like a that movie.
Amber. Hi. I am zoomed out. I don't. It's like half.
It's like half.
Amber, don't be shy. Don't be shy.
Only sparkles.
Amber.
No, your bracelet.
Oh yeah, because I want the outfit I was going to. Can you give me that Asher? You're too lazy right now. I want some fucking Burger King and McDonald's.
Hell yeah. That sounds delish.
Kaylee's hungry. She always gets hungry like a bitch. Who?
I'm not even that hungry right
I know
now.
they usually do.
I'm not like
Why are you sitting like that?
comfy.
Oh.
Why are you not sitting like this,
Who are you?
Callie?
You said that fast. Motherfucker.
I'm like,
You want people that know you? Hey, little girl, what's your name? What's your name?
Amber, what are you like?
Hey, that's what it is.
No one goes to me.
It goes Callie over there. I want one. It's gonna be gone.
It is. Yeah, you hated that.
The tobacco's at the bottom.
I know.
Here, I'm gonna fall off this side. Light in a cigarette. Here, take this. You're gonna need it.
Hey, Karina.
I need to look bad.
I told you. That sound like a duck.
That's so scary, dude. I think this is why I tweak out here.
Like on the unborn.
Is that your cat? Huh? I heard that shit.
It was like
I heard it like 3 times. Yeah, that's my cat. Like they've been fighting.
that's bad.
Yeah, we go to the bathroom.
Fuck, do I want to come to that?
Is it all dark out there? Yeah. I'll just find my way. Well, I'm scared of those cats.
Oh my god.
Those cats are gonna attack me. Are you still recording?
Don't, motherfucker.
Oh shit.
Stop.
Oh shit. Oh
Stop.
shit.
Oh, oh my goodness. What happened? What happened?
I don't know what you.
What?
She just scared the fuck out.
How?
I don't know. She just came back like running in there. Stop video recording.
Why'd you run?
Because the cats, one was on the table and it scared me when I walked in there, and then the other one was underneath the table, and then they both ran up and made a rah sound. And it scared me.
These cats are crazy. Kelly, come look outside. I mean, come. I'm gonna catch you moving. Dude, your cat's like scaring me.
I thought they were outside.
should let them
No,
outside.
hell no. You should let them outside though.
I saw a black one in the back and it looked like a kitten.
Yeah, pretty boy.
Because them motherfuckers were like, rah! It was scary.
I thought you like. I thought it was like the dog or something. But
The dog's
I
not here.
But I was about to say that.
Dude, Karina, your vibrates loud.
I know, it's so annoying.
Mine used to be like loud too. When I had that phone.
You still have that phone. You
I
just-
know, but it's not on. And now my other one's not on.
Creep. My goodness.
Hi.
Oh, you missed it.
I want some food.
Close the kitchen.
I'm fucking hungry. I should make ramen noodles.
And then you have to like.
Doesn't that sound good? There's some burritos. Some shit with the hot sauce.
Oh, yeah.
Hell no. Explain.
I don't like burritos.
You say you don't like a lot of things when you're like this, but then you end up eating them.
Cause I'm picky.
Picky, what do you mean?
I don't like a lot of food. Well, I do, but stop. I feel like I'm like late recording.
What? Performing?
Stop.
Because you see the light, don't you?
Yeah.
I know, it's scary.
What the fuck? The light scares
Dude, if
me.
you were famous, you wouldn't like paparazzis, would you? Damn, you'd fucking flip them off like Justin Bieber did.
Just
Yeah, when he was with Selena Gomez.
Damn.
Yeah, and I guess, I don't know, he likes to hit fans or some shit, but
He likes to hit him. What the fuck? Let me see the video.
no.
Come on, I want to see
Still
it.
video recording.
I know, dude. What the fuck? Little bitch.
There's like 10 different videos on here.
Come on, Alicia. I want to see him already.
No! Bye.